distant dreams that break of day. I walked alone through morning's mist, with memories I once had kissed. The laughter lost, the hands once near, now echo faint, but still sincere. The stars, they watch, but do not speak, while time writes lines upon my cheek. Yet in the hush of midnight skies, a hope still burns behind my eyes. The stars, they watch, but do not speak, while time writes lines upon my cheek. Yet in the hush of midnight skies, a hope still burns